At Morton Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, our plumbers and HVAC technicians are professional, polite, and treat your home with the utmost care. Our team is committed to learning as much as they can about the specifics of your problem, before sending a repair truck out to your home or commercial company. Here's what some of our customers have to say about us. Cheryl Hanvey says, "Very professional. We had a kitchen drain stopped up. Which wasn't an emergency, but they took care of us when the appointment was set. Having them come back to do some more work for us." Landis says, "I have used Morton Plumbing consistently, both at my business and at my personal home, and have always had professional, courteous service at a great price. Highly recommend. We bring peace to your pipes. Call us today to request an appointment."